Hello, I am Purnnima Verma and I would like to put on record my appreciation for RBJ. Although I was interested in occult sciences right from the very beginning, I never thought that I would be getting into Vedic astrology or I would be able to read a birth chart. It was too complex for me. But one fine day I came across an ad by RBJ and I found myself enrolling for the basic astrology course. And I found that it was made so easy. Oh my god, I was able to understand a lot of things. Dr. Bhavyadeep Bhatia had some wonderful formulas for us to help us remember all the rashis, their planets, their roles, relationships, their traits. And I got quite comfortable with it, and that is what propelled me to actually, take up the advanced course too. So I enrolled in the advanced astrology course, and believe me, each and every time sir would take a proper case study. We would open up a new chart in every class and sir would discuss out that chart and he would explain to us so many things, the relationships, the dashas, the antardashas. So in the end, what happens is, from a lay person who just didn't know anything about Vedic astrology, I turned into a person who could actually read a birth chart and also do a prediction. So I need a lot of practice, yes. People who have been into astrology for some time and they come over here, they are able to grasp it faster. But for me, it was no less. I could grasp it too. So that was really made very easy by RBJ. I really thank Dr. Bhavyadeep Bhatia for such a beautiful, lucid and easygoing style. And he has always been very patient and always encourages the students to ask more and more questions, make more and more mistakes so that we learn from our mistakes. Thank you RBJ, thank you Dr. Bhatia, thank you management team, and I love the community classes, the community workshops that I held. I always look forward to the weekly community class, and of course the Like Minds community. There's a lot of exchange going on. So thank you RBJ, thank you very much.